Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 58, here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. This Shuriken skill is to learn how to use the new Symmetry drawing mode in Photoshop CC2019. Although in a couple of earlier versions, I believe, you can access it as a technology preview in the preferences. So check that out if you're on something before CC2019. So I've got a brand new canvas just here, and I'm going to add a new layer to this particular document, and I've got my pencil tool active and also got smoothing enabled, and I've got the pulled string mode, which will kind of evaluate my stroke and smooth it. So if I go to the butterfly here in the options bar and click, you'll see I've got a number of different symmetry options. And in fact, if you've used a symmetry drawing method in your document, you'll also have last use symmetry available just there as well. So if I come down here to mandala like so and determine the number of segments I want, I think I'll have just 6 here for now. Of course, usually I do these with 8, but I'll do 6 just today. And you get this drawing guide like so, which you can resize if you need to. So I'm just going to actually hold down Option or Alt and Shift to keep it proportional and just drag that out like so. In fact, I've just realized that, of course, because I'm in CC 2019, I don't need the Shift key, so I've released that and I'm dragging like so, just using the Alt or Option key from the center. And then I'll just hit return to apply that, and that's it. My symmetry grid is ready to go. So I'll just start drawing around the center here just for a moment. So I'll just start from here and draw outwards, and you can see how the stroke is being evaluated for me. And I'll just wander out and draw a few more shapes here. I'm not got any particular intent in mind, but I'll just come along here like so, go for a nice shape there, and do a similar thing just here. And you can see how easy it is for me to draw like so. I can make great stuff in just a few moments, which is a real bonus. And you can just experiment sometimes and just wander with your drawing tool and just see what comes out of that wandering. I'll just undo that and I'll add a new layer. So I'm just going to hold down the Command key. That would be, of course, Control on Windows, and just click the new layer icon. That adds me a layer underneath. And of course, this can accelerate my coloring in also. So if I choose a color here like so, and just increase the size of my pencil here, and I'll just start to block in some colors. Let's zoom in this area here, bit of a hefty pencil that, so I'll bring that down a shade there, and you can see that as I draw, in fact, if I turn the smoothing off just here, so just take that down to basically nothing just there, and then just color in these sections. You can see I'm doing all of those at the same time. So there you go. It makes things really easy to do. When you don't want the symmetry on anymore, you simply come up to the top here, click the butterfly and choose symmetry off like so. But like I said earlier, it is available if you need it again, and it just pops up like so. So there you are. That's your Shuriken skill for now. Don't forget, if you want to learn more even faster, then check out my courses on lynda.com and LinkedIn Learning. Please do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you next time for another Shuriken skill.